All right, we are back again to AI noon. Talk about AI at noon. I got a new logo here at the top right. I put it AI noon um uh thanks to an Indonesian designer who helped me craft that logo. Pretty nice. So it looks like AI, but also looks like the Arabic letter noon. So it's perfect. It's just one letter or one shape. It's actually A, I, and also noon, which is an Arabic letter for N. Anyway, okay, so it's been a while, long while. Has it been like a month or maybe 2 months, or probably the last time was last year actually, right? Or did we do one this year? Can't remember. But it's been a while, and I do realize that the pace of AI development is so fast that we really need to make this every week, because every single week there's always new things. And one of the things I'm interested to explore today is actually, I think less than 1 week, Replit. Replit is less than 1 week. But there's also another one that I've been wanting to explore but haven't gotten the time and chance to, which is the Qwen from Alibaba, the Qwen chat. That the chat interface was also relatively recently released, I think. But at the same time, during the Chinese New Year, they released the latest model 2.5 Max. So yeah, we're gonna explore those. Maybe we start with Quen first, because I think it's been by now it's been 2 weeks plus. Yeah, 2 3 weeks plus. Replit is more newer, so we'll cover Replit in afterwards. Um, all right, let me just perhaps share screen. Oh, so if I need audio, I will need to reshare the screen. Okay, for now, I'm kind of share the whole window. Yeah. Right. So let's explore Quen. Okay, maybe we start with their release. Yeah. When did they release? I think this is their release. Ah, yep. This is the official release by the Quen team. Quen 2.5 Max. Large scale mixture of expert models. Let's see. 20 trillion tokens. Okay. Supervise fine-tuning afterwards, and reinforcement human feedback. Let me see. All right, and available through API, Alibaba Cloud, as well as for general public at the Qwen chat. All right, they come up with these benchmarks. Interesting. All right. Well, of course. um, I'll be honest, I'm not so familiar with all this benchmark. It's all just confusing to me, to be honest. So I just want to try things out. I'm more of a dummy when it comes to AI, to be frank. I'm trying to catch up. That's why this series is supposed to be catching up of AI development. So yeah. All right, why don't we just go straight at it? Qwen chat. So they have it at chat.qwenlm.ai. Okay, so I've tried it a bit, but let's try now. Maybe we ask it, who are you first, let's say, right? Allowing web search as well. Oh, okay, because of web search. So let's try without web search. Who are you? Okay. It knows itself being Quen. Which model version are you? Latest version of Quen Max. Okay. What version number is that latest version? Okay, so it doesn't know its own version number. Maybe we should now use the web search. What is Qwen Max latest version number? All right. 2.5 Max released on January 25th. That's interesting. I don't think that's correct. Yeah. When was Qwen 2.5 Max released? Okay, it is still 25th during Chinese New Year. Oh yeah, this no, this is not dated 25th. Chinese New Year was, I think, on the 28th, if I remember correctly. Right. So let's ask this follow-up question that it suggests. What are the key features and improvement for Qwen 2.5 Max? Okay. Oh yes, performance. Yeah, performance is inference speed. Performance and inference speed are very immediately noticeable. So I'm gonna jump a bit. Let me open another one. So because this is what I was impressed about. So if I create a new chat, image generation, right? Uh, it's pretty fast. Yeah. The first time I tried this was on my browser on my phone. Okay. All right. So that's Ainun Najib according to Qwen. Right. So he's Indonesian in tech. Let's see if it can follow through the context. So yeah, the image generation feels faster than the others. Okay. All right. Finger. Finger looks odd as usual. Okay. Go back to uh, yeah, this one. Okay, let's see. All right. So it says it does better in coding capabilities. We'll test that. I think we can take some of the coding problem and ask it. Complex problem solving, math, benchmark. Okay. Common sense reasoning. All right. Let's try coding problem. I'm gonna try using NOI problems. So yeah, so in Singapore, the National Olympiad for Informatics (NOI) is called NOI, is held every year at around February and March. So the qualification for this year will be next weekend, exactly 1 week from now. It will be Saturday next weekend. So wish my kids luck because my eldest and my second one will be joining this NOI qualification. So I'm gonna try. Okay. Qualification. All right. So the easiest qualification problem is this one. This is basically you are given a list of rectangles, and then you have to calculate the total area of all the rectangles. So it's really straightforward. It's just looping and then multiplying the two numbers. Let's try this. Let me see. I haven't tried this before on any chat. I don't think I've tried in any chat before. So let's see. Can I upload file? I can. All right. So I've downloaded the problem statement. Solve this informatics problem. Let's see. It cannot interpret PDF yet. Okay, that's a bit disappointing. All right, let me just copy paste then. Can I copy paste this thing? I need to copy paste from the downloaded file, I think. Let me try that. How do I copy paste this? Open with. Or is the file protected? Why am I not able to copy paste? Oh yeah, why can I not copy paste here? Oh, this could be protected. Oh, right. Oh, so the file was probably protected. Okay, we should find a different problem then. Let's or we try a different portal. So let's try the Indonesian portal. Okay. Problem statements, because they should have NOI also. Set international Singapore NOI. Qualification round. Okay, which year was this one? This was okay, 2023. Good. So they have it here. Yeah, same thing. Just uploaded the file. Okay, this is a bit disappointing. Stuck with a so basic of a problem. I think the PDF is protected. I cannot copy paste. Okay, why don't I try screenshot? Yeah, let me try screenshot. It is a bit disappointing. Right, this should be sufficient. Okay, first screenshot, then second screenshot. This should be sufficient. Yep. All right. Now let's try again. Doesn't, oh, I see. It doesn't support image file. That's another problem. Oh, too bad. Okay. Right. Let's find another problem then, coding problem. Maybe we go to Katis. Yeah. Katis. I think Katis easy problems will be too easy. So we may want to take the medium. Yeah, the easy problem will be too easy. Is there a way to filter this? Right. Minimum difficulty. Let's try 1.5. Sort by. Oh, I cannot. That's disappointing. Sort by difficulty. Yeah, 1.5. All right. Okay. Yeah, let's just try this one. And I think I need to change the account. Still my son's account. All right, let's just copy paste this whole thing. Solve this programming problem. Yeah, while waiting. Okay. Thumbs up. All right. Yeah, this looks correct. I think it should be correct, but submit the code. Actually, I think we should try this with another AI also. Let's try ChatGPT, but maybe the one that is for free, because I have subscribed. Stay logged out. So let's say we try the free version. Yeah. Solve this programming problem. Okay. Okay, let me log out from here. Let me use my own account. Okay, this is done. So let's take the code. I'm gonna blindly copy paste and see if it works. The problem statement just now was, I think it was called speed. It was by filtering like this, then sorting by difficulty. Yeah, speed limit. Okay, same problem. Let's see. Paste the code here. All right. See if it works. Wrong answer. Ah, too bad. Wrong answer. Oh, it doesn't tell me where or why it's wrong. Okay. Let's try the ChatGPT ones. This one. Let's see if it works better. That was it. Okay, now this is the ChatGPT free. The code looks similar. Surprisingly, the code looks. Oh, and it is accepted. Ah, okay. So Qwen actually lost. Qwen actually lost against ChatGPT for this particular problem statement. That's the difference here. Ah, yeah, this looks an easy problem. Let's see the. I see the Qwen. The two codes are very similar. The red one is the one from Qwen. The green one is the one from ChatGPT. This is very similar. Yeah, even it knows when to break. So what? How did it become wrong? Even the printing is the same. It uses the formatted string. Oh, it told me to uncomment the line below to run the function. Oh my God. Ah, okay. So it was not wrong. It's just that it requires the user to do something about the code first, not blindly copy paste. So let me do this again. In fact, it's the exact same logic actually, to look at it. I think we need to try a harder problem. Yeah, I need to uncomment first. It actually tells us to uncomment first to run it. Not sure why. Is it like safety reason? That would be interesting if it is safety reason. Let's see. So I have to uncomment this, then only submit. Okay, so it's accepted. All right, this is an easy problem. So let's try slightly harder problem. So maybe we go with 2.0 minimum difficulty. Right. 2.0. All right, the one that I have not attempted or the one that I have attempted? I guess maybe the one that I have attempted. What is this? Okay, let's just copy paste the whole thing. Looks like just copy pasting works. So let's see. Okay, solve this programming problem. And let's do the same for the free version of ChatGPT. Okay, it's still coding. Let me check comments. Anyone comments? Mas Haidar Imron. Yeah, I want to wear the Liverpool T-shirt actually, but I guess I'm feeling nationalistic today because Indonesian diaspora is yet again being questioned of the nationalism in the recent weeks because of the kabur aja dulu hashtag. Eh, Resolusi settingnya di mana biar lebih oke visualnya? Oh, was it not clear? Oh, how do I check ya? I see. Or maybe I'll just reduce the resolution, yeah. Display resolution, display. Okay, I'm gonna just reduce this. Okay, so hopefully it's now clearer. Okay, thank you, Mbak Dani. Where were we just now? We were waiting for the code from both Qwen and ChatGPT. So let's try Qwen. All right. Okay, yet again, it asked me to uncomment the lines. So yeah, let's do that. Hey points, start coding. And then I have to uncomment the line. I think I don't need the if statement. So I'm gonna just uncomment the hey points directly. Oh, wow. Promising. Oh, nice. Yeah, it is able to solve hey points problem with difficulty 2.0 in Katis. Let me try the ChatGPT one. I wanna go all the way until we found a problem where one of them failed. So let's try the ChatGPT's version. Oh, wait. I think I want new submission. How do I do new submission? Okay, never mind. It's okay. I'll just remove all and then paste. Oh, even ChatGPT also do this. Ah, interesting. Okay, let's try. Oh, it is also accepted. Fine. Then we need to up the game. We need to find problem that is okay. I think we need to move to hard problem already by now. Let's see. Yeah, difficulty 5 maybe. Let's try difficulty 5. 9 is way too hard. 6 is already, yeah, 6 looks quite hard already. So maybe we see 5 first. Oh, I had not even solved any 5. Oh, I did solve some. Okay. Zip of song. Let's see. Zip of song. Okay, I solved this one. So it should be fair to expect the AI to be able to solve this too, because I'm not that good in this. Let's try. Solve this programming problem. Then we do the same thing to the ChatGPT as well. We should try a Math Olympiad problem also maybe later, but it's a bit tricky if the model cannot process image, it becomes tricky to upload the problem. We can only choose from problem statements that are only text and numbers, which is actually quite maybe not that rare, but usually there's always figures. So Oh, it has sample inputs. Clearly, I cannot use it, but okay, that's not. There's still a lot of work to do, but at least it's clearer. Yeah. It makes it clearer for us who use it. Mm, oh, it doesn't handle the input. Oh no, I need to read the input myself. Okay, let me see. Is the, or maybe we'll ask it. Yeah, modify your code to read the input also. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yes. Yeah, otherwise I will have to manually do this. So I'm gonna copy, change this, paste, right? Okay, it should be copy, paste, and submit. Oh, runtime error. Interesting. Would we know the detail? Uh, uh, does it provide? Doesn't tell much. Okay. Doesn't tell what kind of runtime error has happened. Could it be memory out of bound? Let's try ChatGPT now. Oh, I should have done that first. Now, oh, I did. I actually did. Zip of song. Yes, I already submitted. Oh, interesting. ChatGPT's code is quite neat, actually. It is quite neat. Let's see. Replace this with ChatGPT's code. Yeah, it looks much neater. Oh, wrong answer. Okay. So that means for this round, Qwen actually won because Qwen could solve until how many test cases? 7 test cases until it fails due to runtime error. Could be memory out of bound. My guess would be. Well, ChatGPT only passes 2 test cases. So this particular problem, Qwen already won against the free ChatGPT. The reason I'm comparing with the free one is because at least for now, this Qwen AI chat, Qwen 2.5 Max, is accessible for free. I think this is the part where a lot of people don't realize. A lot of people don't realize that lay people are what folks call normies on Twitter. Folks on Twitter call the lay people as normies, right? So for normies, when we talk about AI, all they know typically are the free versions that they have access to. So whenever I mean, let's say for example, recently I have a bit of a controversy when I say AI may replace even university education. It is possible, especially for those who cannot afford the tuition fee, or for whatever reason, maybe cannot even spend the time because have to work, right? For example, right? Cannot even do part-time university. So for that demography in this era today, they can learn themselves online for knowledge that are more practical or can be learned through autodidact, basically learn by yourself type of set of knowledge. Of course, not all fields are like that, right? But I guess most of the fields today can be learned online. And for those fields, they can learn from AI. So I made that sort of half sarcastic statement in critique to our government's plan to cut the budget for our higher education, such that a lot of students may lose their scholarship, may lose their subsidies for higher education, but also overall universities, especially the public universities, may have to increase their tuition fee, their cost per semester, right? That today is ranging around a couple of millions per month, typically. So, which is way higher than salaries, right? Median salaries in Indonesia. But anyway, so it was in a critique, as a critique to that move from the government. But at the same time, also it has a truth in it, where the reality today, we can actually learn from AI. It's actually true. I think what AI cannot replace yet is giving you that degree, the actual official diploma or the official degree that is still de facto still required in job market, especially in Indonesia. So that's the part that's not solved yet, right? But I think it's just a matter of time, frankly. So I raised that up, right? And some of the comments become controversial, right? Like 1 million views, and I got ratioed basically, right? There's more people QRT me, and maybe I'll just show the tweet. QRT me, and it's called ratio basically, right? When more people are actually quote retweeting you as opposed to um liking the post. 1.3 million views with around 2,500 retweet or quote retweet, right? Well, only 500 liking it. So it's ratio, massive ratio. So it's considered controversial. Maybe let me just translate this. Fortunately, this is the AI era, accessible to everyone. It might mean you no longer need to pay high tuition fees for university. Just learning with AI and free education resources on the internet is enough. Except, I've already qualified this year, except if degree or certificate is considered necessary to have, right? But over time, I do believe also that the value of degree and certificates keeps decreasing. So there's truth in this, but this was meant as a criticism, is a bit of a sarcastic tone for the government's plan to reduce the to cut the subsidies, to cut the budget, which in effect it's cutting the subsidies for higher education. So yeah, sorry, I digress too much. But the point is, some of the comments there, they argue that AI is still stupid or they are not that good. The reason is why they commented that way is because we cannot expect most people to use the pro, let alone the pro version or the plus version of things, the paid version of AIs, right? What they use are the default free ones, which the most famous today is, of course, ChatGPT and then Gemini. But now, with the recent, especially from the Chinese AI companies, right? They have been releasing a much better model for free. So Qwen 2.5 Max, I believe, is one example where today you don't need to pay. I don't think they even have subscription base, but this is just the free version of it, right? Qwen Chat today, and it is better, as we have seen earlier, better in solving this coding question, better compared to the free version of ChatGPT. Yeah. Oh, I thought I was sharing my screen. Yeah. So okay, that's sort of another context also for you, I guess. All right, let's try some more few things with Qwen AI before we move on to the Replit. So I've shown the image generation briefly earlier. So let's try the video generation. Generate the video of Ainun Najib giving live stream about AI at Singapore time. Let's see. Okay, expectedly slower to generate video, of course. I can bring. Let me just check. Am I sharing my screen? Yeah, I am sharing my screen. All right. Yeah. So now the free versions of AI can already provide a lot for the end user, um, especially those that recently came out from China. I think somehow in general the Chinese alternative of products are typically faster, cheaper. I think it's sort of in general, right? Um, so and also they are still trying to gain the mind share and market share of AI outside of China. So yeah, of course they'll give more for free, at least for now. Oh, takes a while. Okay, maybe we leave this, let it work. I want to try another. Yeah, I guess we can try one more problem. One more problem. Let's try even harder. Just now we try 5.0, yeah. Let's try 7. Let's try 7.0. 7.0 is really hard. I mean, I'll be very, very impressed if any AI can solve at all. I think 7 is already, let me check. Yeah, 7 is already hard. And I don't think I've solved any hard problem in this particular platform. Yeah, I have nothing. I have nothing solved. Let me see. Oh, I have one solved. Just one. Let's see. Ah, okay. This is the one where the logic becomes tricky, I think. So it is hard because you have to be careful in your logic. Yeah. Oh, yeah. This was messy. So I managed to solve it, but was very messy. So maybe this is a good one for AI to try. Yeah, let's try this one. Liga. The problem is about sports league contest. Yeah. Okay, I need to. Can I just open a new one? Okay, this is opening a new one. Solve this programming problem. It's very hard. Should I say hard? Solve this hard programming problem. Yeah. And then let's compare with ChatGPT again, the free one. Yeah, this is the free one. Oh, see? Oh, the code is neater than my code. Okay, so okay, then this is, could this be wrong then? Or was my code really overly complicated? Okay, let's try. Uh, how do I submit? Da-da-da. Okay, this one, yeah, this one I can just copy paste and submit. Let's see. Ah, see, it is a hard problem. It cannot solve. Now let's just see if the free version of ChatGPT can solve this too. I doubt it, but let's just see. If it does solve, that's gonna be quite interesting situation we have. Do I need to refresh? Oh, what? Why is it not moving? Oh, this is rare. Okay, Katis is not responding. Not sure what's happening. I think Katis is perhaps down. Yeah. Or I've been submitting too frequently and then maybe I'm being throttled. Yeah, it's not judging yet. Okay, let's go back to the video. Oh, video generation still not completed. What about we say I got wrong answer in first test case. Let's see if it can correct the code. Oh, it's still not judging. Looks like we will never know. All right, now this is done. Does it have a sound? No, there's no sound. Okay, video generation is done. Why do I look like Prabowo? Younger Prabowo. Right? This guy looks like a young Prabowo, isn't he? Am I right? Or am I hallucinating? See, when he looked to the left, when he looked to the left, he definitely looks like young Prabowo. Oh my god, I don't know. Oh, actually, let's ask that. Let's ask that. Um, generate an image of a portrait of Indonesia's current president. See. All right, this is just hallucinating, right? This is definitely just hallucinating. Can we just try generate a portrait of Prabowo Subianto, let's say. Mm. Mm, no, not quite. Not quite. Not quite. Let's try Joko Widodo. Hmm. Close, but not really. Close, but not really. Okay. Okay. But yeah, the video was surprising. Where was the video? Yeah, this one, right? Video is quite good actually. I think yeah, I think this is quite okay. It hallucinates on say my name over there. But the human itself is realistic. Let's see the fingers. Okay, fingers when it moves are a bit, yeah, you can tell that it's AI generated when the finger moves. Yeah. But in general, when it is still, I think, yeah, looks quite okay. Anyway, and all of this is for free. Yeah. I guess the point here is the free point. All right, so it's been 45 minutes. I'm gonna try to use the next 15 minutes to try exploring Replit. Right. So another product that was only released, I think around last week. Let me. Why don't I open the Replit video? It's very very impressive. The release video. Yeah. So this is 10 days ago, February 5th. So 10 days ago. Let me share the audio also. Nope, not this one. This one, and then share audio. Right. So you should be able to hear.
You always wondered why that app didn't exist. Now you can make it. Meet Replit Agent. Want a custom workout plan? Make an app for that. Have a great idea at 2 a.m.? Make an app for that. Need to run an analysis? Or learn with your kids? Make an app for that too. This isn't just making apps. This is your imagination unleashed. Describe what you want and watch it come to life. No coding experience, right from your phone. Made an awesome app? Share it with a friend. Have a business idea? Start in minutes. Everything you need is in your hands. Now is the perfect time. Create something amazing. What will you make today? Try it free at replit.com.
Yeah. So, and a couple of people have already tried it also. And they actually say you can make app in 15 minutes. So like in the current stream, I think I have 15 minutes left until it becomes 1 hour since we started. So why don't we try this claim? Yeah, is it really true that we can just make an app in 15 minutes
You always
using Replit? All right. Let me go back to sharing the whole window. Yeah, let's try Replit. I think I have it. I actually have to Replit. Yep. Have it open. This one requires subscription. So I've already subscribed, I think a couple of dollars a month. So yeah, we just describe in plain language what app or site we want to create. Let's any ideas? What should we try to create? Let me see comments. Anyone wants to suggest what I should be making? Okay, no comment, right? Okay, no comment coming in. Cool. Let me just somehow make things up. Okay. Ramadan is coming, the fasting month is coming. Maybe it's boring to do prayer time app or things like that. Yeah, how about Quran recitation tracker? Yeah, maybe that's a good idea. So for the audience who are not familiar, for Muslims, once 1 month every year, we have to do fasting from for the whole month, the holy month of Ramadan. For this year, it happens to be almost fully the whole month of March. I think it's 1st until 30th of March. And the last day of March will be our celebrative Eid Idul Fitri, to celebrate the conclusion or the conclusion of the fasting month. So it will be the whole month of March, so it's easier to remember this year. And it is also the month where we are encouraged to read Quran more. Like, because there are 30, we call it juz, 30, what is juz in English? Yeah, basically parts. So Quran, the whole Quran is, you can split equally into 30 parts. Each one is about 10 papers, meaning 20 pages. And yeah, and we are encouraged to read one part every day. So by the end of the holy month, we complete the whole 30 parts, meaning we complete the whole Quran. So maybe, yeah, let's just describe that to the app. During the holy month of Ramadan, every year, Muslims are encouraged to read Quran on daily basis. Quran is divided into 30 parts. Each day it is recommended for Muslims to read one part. So the whole Quran will be completed by the end of the holy month, by the end of the Ramadan month. Right. An app to track Quranic Quran reading each day for Ramadan month. Right. I think let's just start with this. I'm sharing my screen, right? Yeah. Okay, Quran tracker. Okay, so the Replit AI will propose the app idea first. I'll help you create a Quran reading tracker for Ramadan using Streamlit. The application will focus on tracking daily reading progress of the 30 parts of Choose. Okay, it understands Choose. Okay, that means the model actually, of course, it has its own context and knowledge about Quran, Muslim, and Ramadan. A clean interface program visualization. Would you like to proceed? Yes. Build the initial prototype? Yes. Multi-user? I don't need it. Prayer times integration. Okay. No harm to have it. Detailed progress analytics. This is very important. Social sharing. That's a good idea. Let's do that. Let's do that. Okay, so I'm gonna approve this plan and let the AI start building the app that I want. Let's see. Okay, it's using Streamlit. Interesting choice. I wonder why. Why Streamlit? Is it just because of Python? Or is it because of the analytics? Yeah, because it's about progress, right? So it's sort of analytics, I guess, data driven. Maybe that's why the AI chose to go with Streamlit. Mm-hmm. Actually, maybe if this works completely, I'll just publish this, deploy this so people can use. Oh, then if I should have ticked the user authentication. Oh my God. If I want to publish this to the whole world, I should have said yes to the user authentication option earlier. All right, we can add it later also, I guess. Okay. All right, this is how it looks like. Ah, I see. So it's sort of just manually, of course. So it's only whether I'm done or not done. So if I say choose one mark as complete. Oh, this is calendar, like today's calendar, of course. Okay, it automatically add something like this. They took an initiative to add reading tips, right? To read at the same time each day. Fair. Find a quiet place for better focus. Yeah. Use a bookmark to track your progress. Okay. Read the proper tajweed. It knows. And then, of course, reflect on the meanings of the Quran. Okay, it's basic statistics here. Why is there a link here? Oh, is it like ah? Oh, so I can actually give a direct link also for sharing. All right, let's see. Can you see the Ramadan Quran tergolong with the progress position is the layout progress for the main with the main tracking section and the left statistics on the right. Let's just say yes. Yes. But I want to track by pages. Possible? Each choose typically has 20 pages. Let's see. This feels like having an intern. AI equals to anak intern. Having an intern working for me. Asking the intern to now revise. Okay. Modify the data structure to track pages. Okay. Upgrade the progress visualization to show page level tracking. All right. Wow, if this really works, I will publish this and hopefully it'll be useful for some of you who are joining us today. Error. Key error 3. Let's see, can it fix its own error? Okay, I think this is, oh, right. Okay, some results. It can fix its own error. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. I see. All right, of course. Yeah, technically this is valid. One choose is 20 pages, but it's still not user friendly. If it is like that, let me see if I go with 2. Yeah, it's not friendly. It should have become like page 21, right? Starting from 21 until 40. So I think we can give that feedback also, but maybe not now. We are running out of time. So let's just try. What if I say page 5? So I read 5 pages. Oh, this is like manually one by one. Oh my God. That's definitely not friendly. Okay. So we still need to give this AI a couple of feedback. Well, regardless, maybe let me just try deploy. This is simple but lousy UX type of yeah. So let me just deploy this. Quran tracker AI noon. I'll just change this to AI noon. Quran tracker AI noon V1. Is it private deployment? Can I go public? You must have access. Oh, sorry. If I want it private, then I have to. Okay, of course. I want this public, not private. Let me just deploy this then. Will this mean I will be able to share it with all of you? Let's see. But yeah, it delivers on its promise. 15 minutes. Yeah, actually slightly less than 15 minutes. We built this app, simple, very basic. And I guess it was because of me unable to explain to the AI clearly what I want, right? So I have to iterate a few times. But let's say if you are able to describe it very well in one shot, in one go, I suppose it's not impossible to get the app right in 15 minutes. So yep, promise delivered by Replit. Very impressive. And yeah, say goodbye to our jobs, I guess, for the programmers, web developers, app developers, and techies out there. Maybe it's time to say goodbye for our website. Okay, some comments. Sorry, I missed this comment before. What is that programming website? Okay, this programming website is open.katis.com. It is highly recommended. Open.katis.com. It's highly recommended for beginners. Like I use it for my second child who is just starting to learn coding. So a lot of easy programming problems there, a lot of it, and it's quite fun also. Yeah. Okay, that was the only comment I missed. All right. So I guess I'm gonna see all of you hopefully next week, and hopefully I am able to do this routinely every week. So far today we covered Qwen. We covered Qwen chat. Right? Where is it? Yeah, Qwen chat, which you can access at Qwen. Oh, chat.qwenlm.ai. Chat.qwenlm. Maybe I'll just give this in the email also. Sorry, not email, the comments or the post later. So maybe I'll just drop that there. And then we also explored Replit. So Replit is easier. Replit is just replit.com. Okay, this is still deploying. All right, I guess that's all for today. It's already 2 p.m. here. My wife is chasing me. We need to go out at this weekend noon. All right, thank you so much for joining me today at AI Noon. Hopefully we'll see you again every week next week. See ya. Assalamualaikum.